At AlviArmani, we train in both the surgical and artistic method of hair transplantation. We follow the Vitruvian method, where we make very specific facial measurements so that the hairlines that we create and the facial framing that we do is very artistic and matches the patient's face. I do all of my own harvesting, and what we do is decide the number of triples, doubles, and single hair follicles that we'll need to create the hairline design, to create the hair restoration that we're going for. To perform an FUE surgery, it takes a great deal of stamina, discipline, and focus. Here at AlviArmani, we average between 3,000 to 4,000 grafts per case. We're able to do those large graft counts because we've had intensive training, and also we have an excellent surgical team to help support us. My patients come and see me 6 months after their FUE procedure. They come and see me 1 year after their FUE procedure, and they tell me how much they love their hair, their results, and they thank me for changing their life.